Okay, this is a Manitowoc IY0604A. Trick to getting on the indigo machines, getting this thing out. Put the nuts back in it. Using those little handles to pull on, and that way she comes out. Whatever you do, don't lose your nuts. Or bolts, actually. You don't want to lose your nuts either, though. Okay. Okay, this is the Manitowoc Indigo. After I got done cleaning it, came out pretty nice. These are just some shots. Show you the overall cleaning of this machine. It is a 6-year-old machine. It was manufactured in, I believe, February of 2012. These are just some shots of the evaporator plate to see how it's doing after 6 years of. It gets cleaned once a year minimum, so complete teardown once a year. So it's doing pretty well, I think. Pretty happy with it so far. Yeah, February of 2012. This is 2018, so 6-year-old machine. And here she is dropping some ice. And this is the view from the parking lot. Alright, thanks for watching. Click like on the video and take care, guys. Thanks, bye.